Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, we've been super busy here at the factory, and right now is another busy day. We are getting ready for the Ohio Woodburner International Expo that's coming up this Friday and Saturday. So I'm going to show you guys what we do to get ready for the show and show you what we're bringing there. All right, so we're bringing 2 trucks and 2 trailers down to this show, and we're bringing this Kindlet 200 PTO version, and we are also bringing a Kindlet Pro PTO version. There's another Kindlet Pro electric here, but that one's heading out to Florida in a couple of days. I'll give you guys a rundown of all the machines that we will be bringing there to show, but at this point everything is sold from our booth except for this orange 28HO that has been a demo unit. Has about 15 hours on it. So this one will be available for pickup at the Ohio Woodburner International Expo or at the Bangor Expo. But if you're seeing this video and you're seeing that splitter and you want it, I would say to call now before it's not available. Now on to customer machines and what we will be showing at the event. We'll have a 17 RS there. We will have a 28 Pro X there. Guys, we got another really cool color here. This is a custom color. This is matte Can-Am tan. This one is spoken for, but this will be at the event on display. It's a 17 VS shown with the optional oil cooler package and the optional overhead LED floodlights. And in addition to getting ready for the Ohio Woodburner International Expo, a load for chipper is heading out right now. We got a double stack here. And Jake's already got a bunch of stuff loaded onto this semi here. Again, using a Conestoga trailer. So this will all be covered when it's getting transported down there. You see we got a skid steer splitter. Got a couple of HOs, some SHOs. There's a gray 35 SHO with the optional aluminum wheels and the optional LED taillight package. This one will be on display, but it is sold. Here's a 17 RS with Autocycle. This one is sold, but we will have it on display in the booth there. Still needs to get the 4-way bolt-on wedge put on, but just came over here to get the hydraulic oil filled. And over here we got the last piece of the puzzle, if you will. This is a 28C compact commercial. Again, this is a sold one, but we will be showing it. And you can see how all these horizontal machines, except for the box wedge, has the bolt-on cradle. And you can switch the log lift with that cradle side. So this is ambidextrous. You can set it up whatever works best in your wood yard. Well, we've got most of this trailer loaded up now. The other trailer is going to get loaded later today with all the Wolfe Ridge splitters, but here basically we've got our imported goods. So we've got the Kindlet products from the UK, and we've got Rami from Finland. So up front we've got a Rami flail mower. Over here we've got the Rami snowblower, and on the ATV we've got the Rami brush cutter. And then the chutes for the Kindlet Pro and the Kindlet 200 are on this pallet. We'll get those all strapped down nice. And on the back is the Wolfe Ridge firewood log stand. So you can see that thing in action at Joe's. We got to put a couple of job boxes on here yet. We'll fit one here and one in between the machines up front. Our tent will go right on the back here, and then we'll be headed down to Ohio. One of the last things we have to do to get ready for the show is print out all of our information sheets for the machines that we're bringing, and these information sheets are pretty well complete. They've got basically the important specs of the machines. We got a QR code to the website, and we've got our pricing listed. It's always been a pet peeve of mine going anywhere or seeing anything on a website where it says call for price. At these shows, you can walk up to our machines and see a price on it. You'll know what it looks like. And in addition, we've got the QR codes on each machine, which is specific to each machine. So that'll take you right to the product page on our website where you can build and you can change configuration options and get a live price right then. So here I've got one of the printouts in this plastic sleeve here, and we're going to laminate this so it'll be waterproof. So at the show, in case it rains, like it usually does at shows for us, this won't get damaged or destroyed. We will be hitting the road tomorrow, Wednesday, and we will be at the show on Friday and Saturday this week. If you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, including pricing, tech specs, dealer locator, event schedule, and more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.